Alright guys, welcome back. So this is another video on Method 12. So this is basically a freelancing masterclass which is going on this channel. So this is a Method 12 where we will see a website which can help you to outreach some of the businesses out there, and you can as a freelancer you can sell your services to them. So let me show you what the website name is and how you actually can find lots of leads using this website. So here you can see Hot Frog. Hot Frog is basically a business directory which where people actually put their businesses on this, and then some of the clients come and find some of the businesses and start work with them. So what you need is you need to here you can see search bar, and you need to sign up. Also, you can also search without signing up, like I am doing. What you need is you need to search your skill like digital marketing, or if you are a graphic designer, you can also search that. If you are a web developer, web designer, any skill, SEO expert. So what you need is you need to write your skill here and then click on the location like UAE, and then click enter. So it will going to give you a lot of business websites and the businesses that have been listed on this website. So here you can see the phone number. You can just click and open up each and every web this profile. I mean, this is actually the profile that they have made on this website. So here you can see this is the business profile of their business. Here you can find the phone numbers, website name, social channels also. So what you really do need to, you can also go to their website and get the email address using this extension, email extractor. So this is how you find, phone numbers, email addresses, website name, and social channels as well. Here you can see Facebook, the social channels they're on LinkedIn, X. So also, what you can do is if you think that this is a manual work and it takes a lot of time to get their email address, phone numbers, and website address, what you can do is you can copy the data from here, and then what you need is you need to go to the Chat GPT, and then you need to say, Chat GPT, that please structure this whole data into a sheet. So basically, ChatGPT will eventually give you the whole data into a into a clean a structured sheet. In the last video, I have also discussed this, that how you should be doing this. Just paste the data here and then give the prompt that, hey, please create a clean structured Google sheet, just like a sheet, like a Google sheet. So the whole, this tool will eventually give you the sheet. Give them the prompt. Can you put it in a sheet? So you can also, add your own prompt. I have just adding this just because, for the sake of teaching. So you can also add your own prompt. Like if you want email address first, you can say that, I want the email address on the first, and then phone number, address, city. So this is how, this tool will eventually give you the clean sheet, business name, phone numbers, address, city, state, zip code, each and everything, right? If you think that you are not finding email address from here, you can also go to their website and then use this extension, email extractor. So you can also get emails from there. This is how you actually find lots of business. If you just come again here, you can also search for any skill like web design, or just change the location if you think that you're not finding the right results. Here you can see, I just so it also give you a lot of locations. Like this is, I guess, this is a country, or what that is. I don't know what is this, but I have edited this, and here you can see the full power of this website. This gives you a lot of data about businesses, their number, their phone address, their email addresses, their website URL. All you need is to make a sheet, and then this is start pitching about your offer and give them the solution. What type solution, what type of problem you can actually solve. If you're an SEO expert, you can get them. You can pitch your offer just like, hey there, I can help you get ranking. Your websites are not getting enough visitors from Google. So this is how you actually pitch them your offer. If you think this is helpful, to comment. If you have any question, to let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.